Hi children, once again welcome back to Teaching and Learning channel. Children, do you remember these symbols? Yes? What are these? Yes, you are right. These are called weather symbols. What are the name of these weather symbols? Yes, they are sunny, cloudy, rainy and snowy. Now children, look at this picture. Have you ever seen these two weather symbols? Do you know what are these? No? Okay. Today I will let you know about these two symbols. Children, look at the sky in this picture. Tell me what is the weather outside? Is it sunny or cloudy? Yes, you're right. It is cloudy. Did you notice anything in the sky? Do you see any lightning in the sky? Did you ever feel wonder about this lightning? Yes? Then tell me, what is a lightning? Lightning is a bright flash of electricity coming from the clouds. How does the clouds get electricity? What is a cloud? A cloud is made up of tiny water droplets and ice crystals. So, a cloud gets electricity from the collision of ice and water particles. Then children, to where this electricity moves? Yes, the electricity moves from the cloud to another cloud or from the cloud to the earth. Children, is this lightning hot or cold? Yes, it is very hot only. Do you know children, this lightning is very much hotter than the sun. Okay children, now I will show the symbol for the lightning. Billion volts of electric spark coming from the clouds is a symbol for lightning. So a cloud symbol with yellow electric spark is a symbol of lightning weather. It is also called a thunder cloud. What is a thunder? Did you hear any sound during lightning? Yes, a sound made by lightning is called thunder. A thunder is a sound made by lightning. What is a sound? A sound is a loud noise. Children, from where we are getting this sound? Yes, we are getting the sound from the air. Children, why the air is making sound? Because it is heated by the lightning. So, the heated air explodes and makes sound. So, the thunder is the explosive sound of air. Now, children, look at the weather outside. Did you see a heavy rain outside? Can you see a lightning and thunder during this rain? Yes? So, how many changes we can see in the outside weather? Yes, we can see a rain, lightning and thunder. So, when you see a lightning, thunder and a rain shower, then it is called a thunderstorm. What is a thunderstorm? A thunderstorm is a heavy rain shower along with thunder and lightning. Now, children, I will show the symbol for the thunderstorm weather. Blue raindrops falling from a cloud with yellow flash of lightning is a symbol of thunderstorm weather. It is also called thunderstorm showers. Children, how do we know if lightning is nearby? If we see dark clouds, we can expect lightning. Children, does every cloud make thunder and lightning? No, not every cloud makes thunder and lightning. Only the tall thunder clouds make lightning. Do you know, children, what are the effects of lightning when it strikes any object on the earth? A lightning can damage tallest buildings, tallest trees, aeroplanes when it strikes. Children, do you know lightning can also kill or seriously injure a person if he is outside during the lightning. So children, what shall we do when it is lightning outside? Children, we will be safe only when we sit inside our home or in a car during the thunderstorm. Do you know children, this lightning also helpful to us. The earth's soil needs some nutrients to grow the plants. These nutrients fall to the earth when it rains during the lightning. Now children, have you understood about the lightning and thunderstorm weather symbols? There are other weather symbols also. I will let you know about them in the next video. Until then, please keep watching my channel. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Kindly give your valuable likes, comments and shares. Thank you all.